Have you noticed this wild trend quietly taking over YouTube? It's helping unknown creators go from zero to viral, literally overnight. This channel right here, it launched just 1 month ago and already has 90,000 plus subscribers. One of their videos, 8.6 million views. Social Blade estimates they made over $6,000 in a single month. And the best part? This trend is still fresh. That means you have a golden opportunity right now to jump in early, grow fast, and start making real money. I'm showing you exactly how to build a YouTube automation business, step by step. We'll create voiceover videos, find visuals, animate them with AI, use a secret AI tool that lip syncs automatically, making your videos look next level professional. I'll show you how to optimize your videos for millions of views, and most importantly, I'll reveal how to avoid getting banned for nudity. Yes, this happens more than you think, and how to fix it before it ruins your channel. To prove it's that simple, I made this entire video in just 20 minutes using the same tools I'm about to show you.
Hey loves! Transparency in fashion isn't just a trend. It's a bold statement of confidence, sensuality, and artistry. Today's try-on haul...
Every step is completely beginner-friendly. And yes, all the tools I use, they're free. Just grab the PDF guide on Telegram. Link in the description. Let's go. Let's create your channel right now. If you've done this before, skip to the prompt creation section using the timestamps below. But if this is your first time, follow along. Step 1. Create your channel. Head over to YouTube and click on your profile picture. Choose Switch Account, then hit View All Channels. Now click Create a New Channel. And here's where the fun begins. Don't have a name yet? No worries. Just ask ChatGPT to whip up some catchy channel name ideas tailored to your niche. Got the perfect one? Great. Plug it into YouTube and hit Create. Next, you need to write a description for your channel. You could write one yourself, but why not level it up? Ask ChatGPT to create a captivating, keyword-rich description based on your new channel name. Trust me, this helps more than you think. Now let's dive into adding tags, a crucial step for optimizing your channel's SEO tags. Help YouTube's algorithm understand the content of your videos. We're using vidIQ for this, an amazing tool for keyword research. If you don't have an account yet, check out the link in the description to get started. Go to the keyword research section and search for terms related to your niche. Try things like transparent try-on haul. Mix high and low competition keywords that reflect your content accurately, that are relevant to your content, including a variety of tags that directly reflect your channel's focus, will improve its discoverability and increase the chances of your videos appearing in related searches. Step 2. Design a clean, professional logo to create a standout channel. You'll need a logo. Don't stress about making them overly complicated. Something simple and clear will work perfectly. If you're not sure where to start, ask ChatGPT to help generate a prompt for your logo. If you're subscribed to ChatGPT's Plus plan, you can even directly generate a logo there. However, I prefer using Ideogram for logo creation. Copy the prompt you've received from ChatGPT and paste it into Ideogram. Set the aspect ratio to square and hit Generate within a couple of minutes. You'll have a range of logos to choose from. Select the one that works best for you and upload it to your channel to actually make money from shorts. There are a few things you need to know. To monetize YouTube Shorts, you need 1,000 subscribers and 10 million views in 90 days. That's a tall order and usually takes months of free work. Step 3. Create viral images. Let's move on to creating images. I've prepared a clear and detailed prompt just for you. You can copy it from the PDF file. There's a link in the video description. Once you have it, paste the prompt into ChatGPT. It'll ask you a series of questions to figure out the atmosphere and style of your images. Take your time answering if you want to save time. Don't worry, I've already done the heavy lifting for you. You can also copy my pre-written answers from the PDF file now that you have your prompts ready. Let's move on to creating images. I found this AI tool that 99% of creators don't even know about yet. Trust me, by the time they catch on, it'll be too late to compete. Plus, it's great for beginners because it has filters that make your work a lot easier. You'll find the link in the video description. Click it, sign up, and you'll land on the tool's main dashboard. Paste your prompt into the bottom input box. Then, head to the settings in the top right and fine-tune a few things. Set the aspect ratio to the recommended 16.9 aspect ratio. Then, choose how many images you want to generate. Now here comes the magic. These are what ensure your image is spicy enough to grab attention but not so much that it breaks YouTube's rules. So go to the filter section and select Woman Realistic, along with 3 filters from the adult category. Once everything's set, hit the Generate button in the bottom right. CG Dreams tends to focus more on the body, creating curvier visuals that naturally draw viewers in one issue. I've noticed is that CG Dream sometimes generates images of women who are topless, which is something we absolutely want to avoid. This is because it violates YouTube's community guidelines, which could lead to problems on the platform. To fix this, simply add the following parameter to your prompt. No naked boobs. Take a look and pick your favorite. Now let's boost the quality. Just click, increase the image resolution, and in a couple of seconds you'll have a high-quality version. Repeat this step for all your images, then download them. You'll need about 20 to 40 images depending on how long you want your video to be. Once all your images are prepared, arrange them systematically by placing them in the designated project folder number, each file sequentially to streamline access during the editing phase. Step 3. Bring your images to life. Now let's dive into animating the images. You can use any AI tool. We need an animation prompt. Open the provided PDF and copy the second prompt listed. If you don't have ChatGPT Pro, no problem. I've found a free alternative called po.com. Select ChatGPT and upload your first image, paste the prompt, and Po will generate a detailed animation prompt tailored to that image. Then go to Runway. Create an account or log in and click Generate Video. Upload your image and paste the animation prompt. Before you hit Generate, double-check your resolution and set your desired duration. Once ready, now hit Generate and watch your image come to life. After the animation is completed, review the output carefully. While Runway offers high-quality results, minor refinements may be needed for consistency. Repeat the process for each image to ensure uniformity and artistic coherence. Once all animations are finalized, download each video clip individually. These clips will include a watermark, but don't worry, we'll address this later during editing to ensure a clean final product. Next, let's improve the quality of the videos. Visit CapCut. Once you're on the website, go to Magic Tools, scroll down and find Video, Upscaler, upload your video, and once it's load, simply click Upscale and let CapCut work its magic. After it's done, click Export and then Download to save the enhanced version. Repeat this process for all your videos to ensure they look polished and high quality. Save all your animations. We need our voiceover. This is a very important step to avoid getting your videos banned. I'll explain this in more detail in the section, How to Bypass Video Blocking. To get started, go to the PDF file and copy the third prompts. Then go to ChatGPT and paste the prompt there within a few seconds. ChatGPT will provide you with a well-structured and coherent script for your video. Step 4. Let's add the voiceover. All right, now it's time to bring your script to life with a professional voiceover. Head over to 11 Labs and click Get Started. If you haven't signed up yet, take a moment to create an account. Once you're in, go to Text-to-Speech on the top left. Now, look to the right where you'll find the voice settings. This part is crucial. Your narrator's voice is half the battle when it comes to grabbing attention. From the voice options, make sure to choose a female voice. They generally perform better for this type of content. Take your time and listen through the choices. I personally recommend the voice I've linked below. It's clear, confident, and engaging. Next, hop back into ChatGPT, copy your script, and paste it into 11 Labs. Click Generate Speech, and boom, your voiceover is ready in seconds. Step 5. Assembling everything in CapCut. Now it's time to bring everything together inside CapCut. Open CapCut and create a new project. Once inside, go to the top right and click Modify. Here, name your project, set the aspect ratio to 16:9, the frame rate to 60 FPS, then hit Save. Next, drag your audio file into CapCut and click the blue plus button to drop it on the timeline. Now, let's clean up the audio. Fast-paced videos equals better retention, especially with shorts. So, let's cut out all those awkward pauses. Zoom in on the timeline to find the end of each pause. Use Ctrl+B to split. Highlight the silent part and press Q to delete it. Repeat this for the whole audio track, but be careful not to over-edit. Leave some natural pauses so it still feels human and conversational. Let's make it smooth and cinematic. Head to Transitions in the top right corner. From the overlay section, choose transitions like mix, them and now, or dissolve. Set each one's duration to 0.3 seconds for quick, polished cuts. Add transitions between all clips to keep things dynamic. Once you've added all transitions, select everything by dragging across the timeline, then right-click. Create Compound Clip. This combines all your clips into one clean sequence. Now, drag in your background music. Place it under the video, trim the end, and lower the volume, around -20 to -30 decibels, to make sure the voice remains front and center. Next, remove any embedded voices from the animated clips. Click on each, go to the Audio tab, and set the volume to 0. Let's add your channel watermark. Click on Text, Default Text, and type your channel name. Customize the font and color, then scroll down to the Background tab to add a background color. Move the text to the bottom right corner of your video. Bonus tip: you can also add your channel name in the first 3 to 5 seconds of the video for extra branding. Then, go to the Effects tab and choose something subtle but stylish. Try Television Off for a slick ending. Drag it to the end of your clip to give it a cinematic sign-off. Now choose a video filter that matches your tone, something soft, clean, and modern. Drag it over the entire video and set the intensity to 50 to 60%. This gives your video a polished, pro-level look. Once you're done, export the video. If you're just here to dream about YouTube success, you can stop now. But if you're serious about building a real income, check out the videos on screen. They'll take you even deeper into the AI YouTube automation world.